This video will show how to draw the elevation, key plan and project title. Now follow the below steps. Take other detail layer from the layer list. Make one boundary or closed polyline around the details which is to be taken in the final printout. For example, elevation and key plan. Mark elevation from Prediciar toolbar. Now go to the Prediciar toolbar, select Mark, Other Details and Elevation. Now follow the same procedure to mark other items from the list such as key plan and soak pit, etc. Now we'll see the project title marking. Draw rectangle above building line. Now go to the Prediciar tab, select Mark, Other Detail and then Project Title. Now enter the project title name for the other details. For example, Proposed Residential Building Plan. Click Enter. Select Other Detail rectangle as project title marking and enter. This is how to draw the elevation, key plan and project title. Thank you.